Hello out there in YouTube and Google Plus land. I got a really quick video. A viewer out there wanted to see my enhanced Bednet system and how I fold it up. So what I'm going to do is try and squeeze it in. I got some rain coming so I'm going to see if I can't squeeze that in here right now. So just hang on, I'll get the camera spun around and show you what's going on. This is Surviving 2 coming to you with another video. Well, here's the bag that it comes in. There's directions on the inside how to fold it up. Let me zoom in on that a little more, and you can see from where it starts and how you proceed to fold it. So it makes it pretty nice that they tell you how to get it all together. It's not really that hard, so let me show you what's going on and we'll get started on it. Alright, there it is set up. It's not staked down or anything like that right now, but you know how to do that. So once you unstake it, this is how you do it. You take this in, you fold them together, come over here, and you do the same thing. Then you hold it together, set it up, and this folds down, that one folds up. And then these two that you had together just kind of fold together. Now what you do is you just get all the circles, which there's little holes in here. You get them all about the same. Then you take it and squeeze it together. Put one hand over the top of the other one. You see how it makes a figure 8. Then you hold it with the one hand. Then fold it up with the other one like that, and then there's a strap that you throw around it and cinch it up, and that's it. That's all folded up right there. So I hope that helped you. Until the next one, later. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more in the future that I put out, just subscribe. Until then, later.